So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add your Telegram chat to your Wix website. So first of all, you will have to come on this website called lsat.com, and after coming on this website, go for widgets, and in the chat section, go for Telegram chat. Now click on create widget. Now you can choose whichever template you like, and after choosing one, click on continue with this template. You have to put your Telegram username or Telegram account link here, and you can also customize your template here. And after finishing it, click on add to website. Now you just have to sign up for your LSAT account. After signing up guys, you have to just click on add save button. Now guys, click on this button called add to website and click on this code to copy it. Now come on to your editor.wix.com and click on add elements. Now go for embed code and go for embed HTML. Now click on this box, paste the code you have just copied and click on update. And as you guys like the Telegram chat app, and as you can see guys, the Telegram chat is here on my website. So if you find this video interesting and helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.